had now is collecting 100,000.
Enlighten us as to the matter with Oyo. Is it that we're impatient because people are still counting days?
And it's a very sad event. Unfortunately, bad things do happen. For whatever reason, they are looking for leverage because we have some of their commanders with us and they feel taking these kids and holding them to ransom will make us release their commander. And now we've threatened when we wanted to take action against that if we come any closer, they want to kill all the kids.
Would you support the perspective of people like Adams Oshomole who says it's time for the death penalty?
I think we should do that. There must be deterrence. The laws are soft and that's why people take advantage. If they know once you commit an offense, there must be punishment.
Like Justice Crack was exposing the lack of proper feeding. What was so wrong with that?
The soldiers' food was...
Hello, you're welcome to today's daily broadcast on politics and you. And what am I going to be talking today? I'm going to be talking on the update of the school children that were kidnapped in Orire local government of Oyo State. The Baptist Primary School, Esinle, and the community school, the teachers and the children were abducted on May 15, 2026. Nigerians have protested and they have called out government to take action on banditry in Nigeria as it's affecting Nigeria, making Nigerians to be living in fear. But people should have this understanding that government is always making effort on insecurity. The latest update is that bandits threatening to kill Oyo kidnapped victims if troops advance, as said by the defense minister. The federal government has revealed that bandits who abducted pupils and teachers in Orire local government area of Oyo State threatened to kill their hostages if security forces attempted a military rescue operation. Nigeria's defense minister disclosed that the criminals were using the victim as bargaining tools and had warned security agencies against closing it on their locations. They were bargaining, they were using the kidnapped people to bargain that their leaders or members that have been arrested by the military in the past should be released. According to the ministers, the abductors were allegedly demanding the release of some of their commanders currently being held by the military. The victims were kidnapped on May 15 from Baptist Nursery and Primary School, Yawata, and two other schools in Esinle, all within Orire local government area of Oyo State. General Musa said security agencies had been working to secure the safe release of the abducted pupils and teachers, but had to exercise caution because of the threat issued by the kidnappers. The defense minister also renewed his call for tougher punishment for kidnappers and bandits, including support for the death penalty, arguing that stronger sanctions could serve as a deterrent against rising cases of insecurity. He maintained that criminals must face firm consequences as weak punishment could encourage more activities. The abduction of the school children and teachers had continued to generate national concern, with Nigerians demanding urgent action to ensure their safe return and strengthening security across the country. Further updates are expected as security agencies continue efforts to resolve the situation. They are using the teachers and the school children as a bargain so that their past commanders that have been arrested by the military should be released. Government is always making frantic efforts. I said in the beginning of this broadcast that protesters, they've done what they could do, that Nigerians have protested, they've done what they could do, but now it's now the job of the government, the duty of the government to ensure that these kidnapped people are released, whatever is going to take the military. But the military has to take caution so that the abductors will not make good their threat by killing the teachers and the school children. because that could generate problems for the government and can also create fears in Nigerians. Already, people are living in fear. That is the broadcast today. Until I come later today on my live chat, I'm yours sincerely, Olukọ. Keep on watching my posts and my broadcast on my Facebook, Olukọ. Until I come your way, enjoy your day. Bye-bye.